In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import a Figma design to Replit AI. Open up Replit AI, then click on Apps and open up the app which you want to add the Figma design to. Afterwards, you want to give it this prompt, add Figma design, and it is going to ask us what we mean by adding Figma design. We want to click on embed a Figma file or prototype in the app, and it will just send it. While we wait, we can go to Figma and open up our design. Once you have your design open, then we will click on share here and get the embed code. Copy it. Now here it is going to ask for the URL. It looks like something like this. We can just paste the code directly here and we are going to send it. So this is going to be the iframe code and it's going to open it up and automatically do it for us. So we are just going to wait for this to complete. Okay, and just like that, your Figma design is now embedded in the app. It appears below, so on and so forth. And that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.